The former ex-lover of Major Hype shared some real chilling details as it relates to abuse and pressure that she went through while being with the comedian. Is she telling the truth? Or is she making up stories for us to turn against the popular actor? Now, this situation has played out, and we are here now to give her side of the story and let you, the fans, decide whether or not you want to believe her. However, social media have been giving her and Major Hype a public reaction, and a number of people have been reacting to the whole entire situation. And we have that right now to share with you and queued up on Links W7 TV. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. This is like one of the most talked about situation, and is a situation between Major Hype and his ex-lover that has been making rounds on social media. Now many people are believing the female and also the fans of Major Hype have been blasted him over the allegations made against him about physically abusing the female in question. However, Major Hype sought to clear the air as it relates to what was said about him, but the female had something to say to the general public, and she posted a video of what she went through while she was with the popular comedian. Now you know social media and you know the public backlash that is going to come from all this. I can't understand why people in general always try to put their life out there on social media, and then they know social media is like the lawyer, the judge, and the executor. So when we look on the current situation that both parties are faced with, it is a difficult one, and one that really needs some more information, as people right now are left puzzled based on new revelations that came out from Major Hype and also the female in question. Now I have a video to share with you with the female giving her account of what transpired. And this was the video that triggered the social backlash that Major Hype was getting in a previous video posted to social media. Now, many are speculating that this was a long-standing problem between the two, and that what they were going through was something not recent, but something that was happening throughout the entire relationship. But despite that, everyone wants to know the truth, and the truth is what will set you free. However, will we get the truth? That's a question that many don't know if they're in an answer for. However, we'll just have to wait and see what really transpired, or what really will this lead to in the end. We're gonna bring you over to the female video as she share her side of the story and update us with what really transpired in the relationship that she shared with the popular comedian.
Hello, hello. Um, so I am going to start this live off with an apology to my family. I want to apologize to my mother, to my son, to my sister, to my niece, to my friends. I I detached myself from the people that love me the most for a long time. I owe you guys the biggest apology. What I've been going through, the average person doesn't go through that in a whole lifetime. And I've been keeping it a secret for a long, long time. Hiding abuse is a full-time job. You have to detach yourself from your loved ones so they don't know. And I did that for a long time. I protected someone that abused me for a long time. Tonight is about my healing. Tonight is about me taking my power back and no longer protecting the person that has been abusing me. I'm ashamed because I let it go on way longer than it should have. I'm ashamed of myself because I went back so many times. All the reasons that I went back, it wasn't good enough. They weren't good reasons. I went back because me going back meant that I loved you, or I was proving that I loved you by coming back, or that I loved the kids, or just trying to prove people wrong that I'm not a gold digger, that I really am here for you. But all of that stops now. The lies, the protecting people, it stops now. Tonight is about my healing and me getting to a better place. And it starts with me being honest with myself and the people around me. I have been through a whole lot of things, and it's a really, really tough thing to keep that a secret. So I wanted to start out by apologizing to my family for, disconnecting myself and pretending that I was okay and going ghost and not answering FaceTimes. The manipulation and everything, it stops now. I'm putting an end to it. The bashing, the slandering of my name, people inboxing me and telling me that I really didn't love the person and I was there for this and that reason. Every time that I left, it was for a damn good reason. And if me leaving because I'm being abused means that I don't love you, then so be it. I am going to love myself more than that person. Imagine having to hide your bruises and your being battered from your family. Imagine after being abused and assaulted, you have to console the person that hurt you because now they're distraught. They want to harm themselves. So now you don't even have the chance to heal. You don't even have the chance to be upset. You have to now console that person. Imagine being bruised and battered after. Imagine going through all of those things and you still have to have sex. You're still expected to be delightful, like there's nothing wrong with you when your face is unrecognizable. Imagine letting people know in your circle what's going on with you. And their first question is, well, what did you do? As if there was anything that I could have done to deserve that. That's disgusting to me. That's disgusting. Because it didn't happen to me once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It happened too many times. Too many times. So when you guys, the viewers and the fans, think that you know me or what I've been through, have some respect for yourself. Have some respect as a woman, as a mother, a father. I'm somebody's mother. And I didn't deserve any of that. So how dare you ask me what I did? There's a lot of people contacting me about a lot of crazy things. I've never, ever cheated in my relationship. Not one time. Not one time. So when you get caught doing what you're doing, your first defense is to turn it around on me. You have a huge platform and you think that you can just destroy me. But I'm taking my power back tonight. It stops tonight. The slandering of my name, the abuse, the control, the manipulation, the sexual abuse, I'm putting a stop to it tonight. So you can continue to pretend to be who you are, but I know the truth. And I'm not keeping any secrets anymore. I'm not protecting anymore. Now it's time for me to protect myself. Protect myself and make back up with my family and my friends that I've cut all ties with to hide this secret. So moving forward, I definitely don't want to speak about it again. I definitely don't want to keep reliving what I've been going through the past couple of years. I just ask that you guys respect what I've been through, and I'm not going into hiding like I did the last time. The last time that I left, there was a huge bashing on social media about me. We're not doing that anymore because I know the truth and I know why I left every time that I did. So moving forward, I pray that you guys respect my process and my healing journey, because I've been through a whole lot. And there's a whole lot of things being said that's not true. And this is the truth. This is what I've been going through. So this was definitely heavy for me to come on here and say on my Women Wednesday. I'm not going to continue, with our regular chat. We'll probably pick it up next Wednesday. I just really wanted to clear my heart and get that weight lifted off of me, because people think that they can do whatever to you because they're powerful and they are popular, and I'm just a regular Brooklyn girl and I'm not taking that anymore. So the abuse stops tonight, and I'm taking my power back tonight, and I'm on a journey of healing, and I feel good and I feel stronger than I did in years. So with that being said, blessings to everyone. Don't believe everything you hear, because it's not true. People will definitely try to spin things and manipulate you, and that's what has been done to me. And I was a pretty strong-minded person before all of this started, and I didn't think that it could happen to me, but it can happen. So I just ask that if you choose to stay on my page, follow me, that you respect what I'm going through or what I've been through. I've always been really private. I opened up my page to let people in. That was hard. This was hard for me to come out and say that I've been in an abusive relationship for years, that I pretended to be happy, I put on a smile, that I faked it, I treated my family bad in order to hide it. I'm ashamed of that. So I got healing to do, and I'm excited about that, and I'm not going to be ashamed about what I've been through. I'm not going to be ashamed. So blessings, guys. I appreciate you. Love and light. I'm on a healing journey, and I hope you're excited to watch, because it's Letitia now, guys. Thank you, guys. Love you. Pray for me.
Well, there you have it. That was the female and former lover of popular world star comedian Majah Hype, giving us some real chilling and detailed information as it relates to what he have been through throughout the relationship with Majah Hype. She have also stated that she had to endure such trauma and physical abuse throughout the whole entire relationship. But as I said before, I'm not here to take any side. I am not here to judge or ridicule anyone or be the judge or the executor in this case. However, the female have shared her side of the story, and she has shared it in so much detail that we really have to stop and contemplate about this predicament situation and see really what's going on. Many females are faced with this challenge. However, many out there stay in it or They just don't want to be a part of any other lifestyle. Some are in there for the money, and some will stand there with the abuse and take it for years based on the fact that they're in there for the financial gain. And some, don't matter the abuse or what they're going through or the circumstances that they're faced with, it's all about the money. Not saying that this was the case with this female and her former lover, Major Hype, but we have seen female being faced with certain situation and certain predicament, and they would stay in it for an extended period of time just because the individual in question is wealthy and popular and can give them that financial support that they deserve. However, what transpired in this video does shed more light as it relates to what is going on in our world and what is going on in life in general. Whether or not this female is telling the truth, I'm not going to be the judge of that. However, she had shared some real detailed information as it relates to how she had to endure such abuse. However, she had a choice and she decided to stay in it for a long period of time before coming to the public domain in order to give her side of the story. Now, Major Hype has been getting a public backlash since this video was posted to social media. Whether or not this female is telling the truth, that still remains a mystery to many and still puzzles the entire world. We're gonna leave this one here for now. You can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. And do you believe that the female is actually telling the truth? This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're notified whenever we post new videos.